जुवारीनगर वास्को हांगसर शुक्रारा नेली रॉड्रिगीस हिणें महिला आप मजत गटांची बसका घेतली। बायलांक स्वताच्या पांयार उबे रावपाक तशेंच सक्षम करपाक ही बसका घेतिल्ली। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Very much focused and committed to empower women. Since I've got so many awards, even the Yashogami and awards all over the world, I have travelled and I was being selected even by the European Union to go and give these sessions abroad. So why not people in Zuarinagar who are lagging behind get the benefits of all these schemes? That's why I've organized this program, because NABARD Bank and so many other government departments have so many schemes where the women can be empowered, and each woman can easily earn 10 to 15,000 sitting at home. So this is my aim and my mission, to empower women, and most of them have no knowledge absolutely about the schemes.
Basically focusing on self-help groups. Now since these are coming under the rural area, Sakwal comes under the rural area, the self-help group schemes implemented by Government of India under the National Rural Livelihood Mission is a wonderful scheme which can give easy access for these people who are unorganized. They get loan at a very small amount, and the rate of interest is hardly 7 rupees for a year. So that goes to 7%. So if you see, in a month for 100 rupees they barely spend about 50 paise as interest. If they are regularly paying, they get further interest subvention, and that's another 2% they will be getting. So it works out to hardly 4% for a year. And this they only get by a group resolution. The only group has to, meaning the books have to be maintained well. The group has to conduct a meeting, take a resolution, and based on their transaction that is happening with the bank gives them the loan. So the scheme is a wonderful scheme. Most of my groups in and around Saptari, Pedne have benefited a lot.